Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In today's video, I will show you how to convert WPS PDF to Word on laptop in a simple and quick way so you can easily edit your PDF files. Now let's get started. Step 1. Go to your browser on your laptop, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser you use to access the internet. A browser is important because it allows you to open websites and use online tools. Make sure you are connected to the internet before moving to the next step. Step 2. Go to the WPS PDF to Word Converter online converter by typing its name in the search bar and opening the official website. This is an online tool provided by WPS that helps you convert PDF files into editable Word documents. It is useful when you want to edit text, images, or formatting from a PDF file. Step 3. Click on the Choose Your File button that you see on the converter page. This button allows you to browse files stored on your laptop and select the PDF you want to convert. Selecting the correct file is important to ensure you convert the right document. Step 4. Alternatively, you can drag and drop the PDF file directly into the converter interface. To do this, open the folder where your PDF is saved, click and hold the file, and drag it into the upload area on the website. This method is quick and saves time if you already have the file ready. Step 5. Click the Convert button to start converting the PDF to Word. The Convert button processes your uploaded file and changes it into an editable Word format. This step is important because it begins the actual conversion process. Step 6. Wait for the conversion process to complete. The time it takes depends on the file size and your internet speed. Do not close the browser tab while the conversion is in progress to avoid any errors. Step 7. Download the converted Word file or open the automatically saved Word document on your computer. Once downloaded, you can open it using Microsoft Word or any compatible word processing software to start editing your document easily. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click.